Okay, to start off our treble crochet, we're going to wrap our yarn around twice, or do 2 yarn overs. Then we're going to insert our hook under the top 2 loops of our next stitch and yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we're going to work off 2 loops at a time. So yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the 3 last loops. So that's treble because we're doing that 3 times. So again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, the top 2 loops, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So normal speed is what it's going to look like. Again, always for the treble crochet, you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook into your next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So this is the super fast treble crochet refresher. If you want to see a slower, more in-depth tutorial, just look up our treble crochet for beginners, and thank you for watching.